Number 58 in your classic for quadratic functions asks you to find a through e for the piecewise function. So let's just go ahead and graph it first. So we have piecewise given when x is less than -1, so not including -1. We have -2 times absolute value of x plus 3 plus 3. So we have, if normally we graph this absolute value function, we would have our sort of like vertex at -3 and 3, so that would be right here, but it is open, or actually this is the vertex so we end this at -1. So if we have this scaled by -2 down, so it would go to this point somewhere here, where it would be open at -1, and then extending the other way, so it would continue on to -infinity. Then we have from including -1 to 3, we have x squared minus 4. So from -4, we have x squared including a 1, so that would be including a 1 is here, going to 3. So let's see if we graph this. So we have a point there, then we have a point at 2, 0, and then we have a point at 3, 5, so here. So this would be our parabola, open at 3, 5. And then we have the line -4x plus 10 when x is greater than or equal to 3. So we have, if we start at plus 10 and we go down 4x, so that would be to 6 over 1, down another 4, so that would be 2 over 1, down another 4 over 1. So our line starts here at 3, -2, and we go downwards in this direction all the way to infinity. So this is our piecewise. Now we can find f of -5. So f of -5 we plug into this equation. So we have -2 times absolute value of -5 plus 3 plus 3. So we have -2 times absolute value of, so we have -5 plus 3, which is -2. Absolute value of -2 is 2. So -2 times 2 plus 3 is -1. F of 0 is using this middle piecewise. So we have 0 squared minus 4, which gives us -4. And f of 4 is when x is greater than 3. So we have -4 times 4 plus 10, which is 2. State the domain and range of f. So domain is continuous because each of these points where we have a disjunction, we still are continuous over the interval. So we have domain from -infinity to infinity, and the range goes from -infinity because these lines extend downwards. We have -infinity up to, but not including this maximum point here, which would be at 5.